What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are back here in the garage with another vehicle to work on. You know how sometimes you just have those annoying neighbors? This isn't one of them. Sorry for the clickbait. He's actually a really good guy. It's a neighbor of mine. He watches my videos, so I figured I'd title it Annoying Neighbor just so he can see it. But I'll show you what we have. He has a truck. He was parked at the shore and someone hit him with a golf ball. So it's not too bad, but you can see it's in his truck bed here, kind of up high, and it's a pretty good shot, but it should work out okay. Again, this truck is all aluminum, so we'll take it slow. We'll get in there. We'll probably go up underneath the wheel well, get on it with some rubber tip tools, get out some of the deepness, and then fine tune it. It's a Sunday. I told him, just bring it over, we'll bang this out. It shouldn't take too long. So it might be a short video, but I figured take you along with us and see how this thing turns out. Let's do it. It's coming out really nice. It's pretty much all the way gone. I just started with a rubber tip and worked most of it out. I could almost finish it off with a rubber tip. I did a little tapping. I'll show you the results so far. I think what I'm gonna do is just switch to a metal tip now and just finish it off. I don't even know if you can see it. It's so minor. Let me try to make this light a little better. But it's so minor. There's just a little shallow spot, and I could probably finish it off with the rubber tip, working it up and then maybe tapping it. But I think when you get to this point, it's good to just get with like a metal tip, not a sharp tip, but just a metal tip, so you can really pinpoint the little low spots and work them up and make it totally flat. So let's keep going and get this thing done. Okay, we are all finished up. It came out perfect. I'm really happy with the results. It actually worked up a lot easier than I thought, with it being aluminum and everything, but I'll show you the results. Not much to see, but it's kind of hard to film stuff with the white cars or really light colored cars. It's hard to get good video with that, but you can see the dent is gone. I'm happy I was able to help him out. Like I said, he's a really good guy. He's actually like a house painter. He's the one that did my floor in here. He painted my house, my barn. So really nice guy. I'm glad I can help him out. This is one of the things I like about dent removal too, that I'm able to help out friends and neighbors and things like that. I like doing that. I like, you know, being able to accomplish something and make them happy as well. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you can, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll do more videos and we'll catch you next time.